Nene, what are you doing to her? What are you doing to her? Stop! What are you doing to her? What are you doing to her? Nothing. Why is she crying? Oh my God, come on. She just want to climb out because of you. What were you doing to her? Nothing. Oh my God. Maya. She's a bully. Say sorry. Say sorry, bully. She don't feel good and she's still being mean. Crazy. Okay, come on. You want to get out? She's crazy. Since she's beating you up. Okay. Stop being bad.